Assalamu alaikum, Dostani Aziz. Navruz Mubarak. I want to wish you good health, happiness, and prosperity. On the occasion of World Tuberculosis Day, I want to emphasize the great partnership between the Government of Tajikistan and the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID. For the past 29 years, we have worked closely with the government to identify all the people with tuberculosis, to cure them, providing the proper treatment, and to prevent the spread of the disease throughout the country. On this day, we also want to think about all the people around the world who are suffering from another serious respiratory disease, COVID-19. And in that regard, USAID has provided over $7 million in assistance to the government of Tajikistan and the people to combat COVID-19. And USAID has provided $2 billion to the COVAX facility to provide vaccines around the world. Our assistance and cooperation help ensure the delivery of services and treatment at the right time and the right place for the people of Tajikistan. And I wish to reaffirm our commitment to continuing delivery of services to the Ministry of Health in Tajikistan and to the people of Tajikistan for a better, healthier future.